citrusarburn.com has genuinely exceeded my expectations in every possible way, offering not just a product but an entire wellness experience that feels thoughtfully designed, professionally presented, and truly supportive of real lifestyle goals. From the moment I landed on the website, I was struck by how clean, modern, and easy to navigate it is, with well-organized sections, clear explanations, and transparent information that immediately build confidence and trust. Everything about the presentation feels intentional and reassuring, from detailed ingredient insights to straightforward usage guidance, making it simple for anyone, whether new to wellness supplements or experienced, to feel comfortable making a purchase. The citrusarburn formula itself reflects a strong commitment to quality and effectiveness, blending carefully selected ingredients intended to support metabolism, sustained energy, and overall vitality in a balanced way that doesn't feel extreme or artificial. What I appreciate most is how smooth and steady the results feel. Instead of an overwhelming surge of energy followed by a crash, I experienced a clean, consistent boost that carried me through long workdays and made my workouts feel more focused and productive. Over time, I began to notice improved stamina, better consistency in maintaining my healthy routine, and a renewed sense of motivation that genuinely made a difference in my daily habits. The citrus-inspired profile adds a refreshing element that makes incorporating it into a routine feel enjoyable rather than like a chore, which is often overlooked with wellness products. Ordering was effortless, with a streamlined checkout process and prompt confirmation updates that kept me informed every step of the way. Shipping was timely, packaging was secure and well-presented, and everything arrived in perfect condition, reflecting attention to detail and respect for the customer experience. Beyond the product itself, citrusarburn.com stands out because it feels like a brand that prioritizes integrity, clarity, and customer satisfaction. There's a sense of reliability and professionalism woven into the entire journey, from first click to daily use, that makes it easy to recommend with confidence. Overall, citrusarburn.com delivers a powerful combination of premium formulation, pleasant user experience, dependable service, and noticeable support for energy and wellness goals, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a refreshing and reliable addition to their health routine.